EDaily conversation.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Ah, that is nice to hear.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every morning.
Oh, really? Do you like this coffee shop?
Yes, I like it very much.
Why do you like it?
Well, it is quiet and comfortable.
Ah, I agree. It is very peaceful.
Yes, and the coffee is very good.
What coffee do you usually drink?
I usually drink a latte.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
What about you?
I drink black coffee.
Oh, do you like strong coffee?
Yes, I do. It wakes me up.
Ha, that makes sense.
Are you going to work today?
Yes, I work at an office nearby.
Oh, that is convenient.
Yes, it is only 5 minutes away.
Wow, that is great.
Yes, I am very lucky.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny days?
Oh, yes, I love sunny days.
Me too. Rainy days make me sleepy.
That is true for me too.
Do you walk to work every day?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that sounds healthy.
Yes, it is good exercise.
How long is the walk?
About 10 minutes.
Oh, that is not far.
No, it is very close.
Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Ah, I understand. Walking is peaceful.
Yes, especially in the morning.
The street is quiet now.
Yes, most people are already at work.
I like calm mornings.
Me too, it feels fresh and new.
Oh, welcome to the office.
Thank you.
Wow, this place looks very nice.
Yes, it is a comfortable office.
How many people work here?
About 20 people.
Oh, that is a good size.
Yes, we all know each other.
Ah, that is friendly.
Yes, everyone is very kind.
What do you usually do at work?
I answer emails and talk to clients.
Oh, that sounds busy.
Sometimes it is busy.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Ah, that is wonderful. What do you do for work?
I am a teacher.
Oh, really? That is interesting. I teach English to students.
Wow, that sounds like a great job.
It is time for lunch.
Oh, yes, I am hungry.
Where should we eat?
There is a small restaurant nearby.
Oh, what food do they have?
They have rice, noodles, and soup.
That sounds good.
Yes, the food is also very fresh.
Do you eat there often?
Yes, I go there many times.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the chicken noodles.
Oh, I will try that.
Good choice.
Wow, the restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it is small but clean.
The smell is amazing.
Yes, the food smells delicious.
I am excited to eat.
Haha, me too.
Today was a long day.
Yes, but it was a good day.
I learned many things today.
Oh, that is wonderful.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I enjoyed our conversations.
Me too.
It was very nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too.
Are you going home now?
Yes, I am going home.
Do you have dinner plans?
Yes, I will cook dinner.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
Yes, cooking helps me relax.
I hope you have a good evening.
Thank you, you too.
See you again soon.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.